For 20%, 800,000.
No, thank you.
I'll do it with you at that price.
If you want to go at 600.
You guys have a deal.
Why did Mark Cuban and Kevin Hart bet big on sea moss gel? You see, in 2022, Alexiou Gibson walked into the Shark Tank asking for an investment of $500,000 in exchange for 5% ownership of his company, the Transformation Factory. His product? A line of sea moss gels, a health supplement made from a plant found in the ocean. At 21, Alexiou weighed over 500 pounds and was told he might not live to see 30. So, he took control of his life. He started eating healthy, working out for 6 hours a day, and eventually lost more than 300 pounds. While on his journey, he discovered sea moss, a superfood packed with 90% of the minerals our bodies need. He started using it daily and saw big changes. That's when he knew he had something special. He created the Transformation Factory to sell flavored sea moss gels like mango, pineapple, and elderberry, which help boost gut health and the immune system. What started as a gift for his grandma turned into a booming business. At first, he gave away jars for free, but as demand grew, up to 60 jars a week, he opened an online store. In just 11 months, the company made $3.5 million in sales, with 35% profit margins, earning around $1.4 million in profit. Each 8-ounce jar sells for $24.99, and it costs $4.15 to make. The product is 100% direct to consumer and is made with organic agave syrup for sweetness. The Sharks were impressed. Kevin Hart offered $500,000 for 20% and invited Barbara Corcoran to join, each taking 10% ownership. Alexiou didn't give up easily. He asked Kevin Hart and Barbara to raise their offer to $800,000 for 20%, but Barbara said no. Kevin Hart said he was okay going up to $600,000. That's when Mark Cuban stepped in. He teamed up with Kevin Hart, and together they offered $600,000 for 20%. Alexiou said yes. He now had two powerful sharks backing his business. So, why did they bet big? Mark Cuban and Kevin Hart saw more than just a health product. They saw a founder with a powerful personal story, a product with high demand and strong sales, great profit margins and smart pricing, a fast-growing direct-to-consumer business, a clear mission to help people live healthier lives. They knew that the Transformation Factory had the power to scale fast. After the show, the Transformation Factory exploded. In just 3 days, it made 5 months' worth of sales. By the end of 2022, the company made $4 million. In 2023, it opened its first store in Florida. By December 2024, the company is estimated to have made over $48 million in sales. From a weight loss story to a $1 million deal, Alexiou Gibson's journey is a powerful reminder that big change can lead to big business.